Hello everyone, this is my homework. The first, live your dream. Learning English can significantly improve your life for many good reasons. English is the universal language. It's used in over 100 countries and on more than 1 billion websites. English can help you make friends worldwide. 1 out of 5 people in the world can understand English. But the most importantly, English enables you to get a better job. However, there are a lot of people saying, I tried learning English several times, but it didn't work out. Day by day, again and again, they just stop at but. They block themselves. They use but as an excuse to conquer English. With successful people, there is a difference between failing and being a failure. Even if things don't work out, you still get up and try again. What about you? Stop making excuses. Don't define yourself by your results. Do what you can. Never give up. Life is too short and unpredictable. What are you waiting for? Live your dream. Any sounds? Cats, snakes, spots, stems, dogs, bees, animals, things, horses, dishes, surprise, bosses. One day, Mondays to Fridays, get up, walk to the station, wait for the train, get off at the fourth stop, watch the office, sit in the office, have lunch, sit in the office, walk to the station, comes home. Things one day. Saturdays and Sundays, get up, late, does the washing, goes shopping, comes home, watches TV, goes out, eats out, comes home, watches TV, things one day. One day, gets up early, goes to the station, waits for the train, doesn't get off at the fourth stop, doesn't get off at the fifth stop, stays on the train. Where does it go? Watches through the window. Linking sounds. English. Speak it. Write it. Read this. You know, you really need this. Don't forget. First, you close it. Then you look it and put the key back in your pocket. Busy. Work all day. Run away. Boss say me. Canterbury, fill a cup, drink it up, wait a while, walk, walk a mile, meet at 8, don't be late. Bye bye.